What is up, guys? Boy Vino Jake here, back at it again with more content. So if you guys had seen my previous video, I had to say that we're gonna start announcing that we got actually a free car. And this car is more sentimental value. It runs, it drives, it's badass, it's a perfect daily. So we're actually gonna go wash it right now, me and Alex, and stay tuned. Hold on, I'm going. So guys, we are actually the car has a little bit of issues, but it's okay. Alex is trapped in the trunk. We'll give you guys a little preview of the trunk. Look at that, Alex is trapped. So guys, I don't want to show you guys the car just yet, but if you guys want to skip to it, it's probably about like, I don't know, 3-4 minutes in and shit. So this car was actually given to us by our second dad that me and Alex ended up making friends. So shout out Hondo, we love you, man. He's our car dad. He's the first person in the world that I can say he's let me driven a $100,000 car. He's dope as hell. And this car it's a muscle car. It's something I expect to get, something I wanted to have in the list, and it's kind of economic. Actually way economic for highway roads. I'll give you guys a little breakdown once you start washing it and what it is. And Alex is stuck in the car. What the fuck?
Not me, stop making fun of me.
Guys, hold on, let me get you guys a little cold start. It is bone stock. Start up. Guys, I'll give you a little preview of what the plate's called. Look at that shit. Damn. Somebody's on it. We're taking off that little shield thing because since we're in California, don't want to get hit by the cops because cops are here just pretty savage. Sometimes. Not as bad as San Diego or LA. We're gonna Alex here, co-start hers. My ears. Check how fast our reaction it is. Let me see. Pretty quick. You have to wonder what it is. Hey, look, check it out. Lencho. Always do the post. Oh shit, hold up. Oh shit. Almost out of the. Hey. Alex over there washing the car. Alright guys, so I guess if you guys in the dark too much, so I like to show you guys we have a 2011 Chevy Camaro. Check it out. What's up, fam? I love it. It's a perfect daily. It is a V6, an RS Sport, no, a Rally Sport. Or I'm not really sure on the trend levels, but this is a gift from our car pops, and we're gonna treasure it every day. Hey, Kong, what do y'all think? Hey, I love it. It's gonna be the perfect daily. Got a lot of mods coming to it towards the way. Alex over there, she excited or using it. So what do you guys think? This thing is dope. I feel like just doing a full blackout and coilover, slip, something basic. This is a V6. But guys, also it has like 94K miles on it. Pretty good. Clean title. Check it out. And interior's clean. Is that a Superman? So I love it. I wasn't expecting a surprise. The biggest gift someone's ever gotten me. That I got model full. So yeah, I'm gonna clean it up, dry it up, and then take some pictures later down the road. Post them up on Instagram and Facebook and all my social media platforms. And so again, Hondo, thank you so much. We appreciate the gift.
We'll take care of it.
Yeah, it's gonna be looking nice in no time, anytime soon. So guys, hey, it's actually fucking nice, and it's gonna be some work done, but a little spice of salty magic, and we're gonna get it. And look, I don't know, we're gonna get it cleaned anyways. So this shit is clean though. I love it. I mean, who doesn't want a free Camaro, right? This is dope as hell. And if anybody is gonna ask why Kong plates, because he owns a GTR. So GTR, Kong, Godzilla was in, so It's a good name for a V6. Guys, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys want to see more content like this. And peace.